if this round piece of Play-Doh is a pizza and this is half a pizza, or half a pizza and half a pizza, then in this square pizza, if we were to chop here halfway, that'd be half a pizza also. Let's model 1/2 times 1/3. Now, if this distance is 1, then half would be, well, one cut right here. So, all right, so that's 1/2 this way. And then let's talk about 1/2 times 1/3. So if we want 1/3, that means along here, this bottom piece of pizza crust, if we'd like to get 1/3, we should cut into thirds, meaning there should be two cuts. One that's roughly here, and another that's roughly right there. Okay, so 1/2 in height, 1/3 in width, that'd be this one piece. But what is the area of this one piece? Well, going back, all of these pieces put together, this had an area of 1, and this one piece, these should be 6 equal sized pieces, and so this is 1 out of 6. It's 1/6. 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. This square currently shows 1 times 1 is 1. But let's talk about 2/5 times 3/7. So 2/5, I need to cut along here in 5 equal sized pieces, meaning we'll have to make 4 cuts that are equally spaced apart. I'm going to eyeball this and say that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Close enough. Okay, by having made 4 cuts, there are now 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 pieces are meant to be exactly the same size, but yeah, that probably didn't quite work out. So, okay, so each is a 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and we want 2/5. So let me just take the knife and push these two. We want 2/5, so we'll take that part here. And then in the other direction, we wanted 3/7. So this one's going to be a little harder, but to get sevenths along here, need to cut along this bottom edge in 6 equal sized pieces. So here we go. Here goes nothing. 1. Oh, Play-Doh is sticky. Oh dear. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Okay, we've made 6 cuts vertically. Let me take a moment to organize this mess. Make sure I don't chop off any fingers here. Okay. What happened here? What happened? Am I missing a piece? How did that happen? Oh, I see. This piece got stuck on top of that one. Well, this is a mess. Okay, this is real rough. Okay, so first we had cut horizontally 4 times because we wanted fifths. And then if we want 2/5, we took the bottom part over here. So then this distance this way is 2/5. But then we wanted 3/7 along this way. To get 3/7, we had to make 6 vertical cuts, and you'll see there's 7 vertical strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then if we only want 3/7, then we only want to take, maybe I'll use a knife to separate so I can even take that part up there, even though we're not going to deal with that part up at the top anyway. But we want, oh, stop sticking there. We want to separate those to say, look, the 2/5 would be this way, the 3/7 would be this way, but here's 2/5 times 3/7. It's the area represented by this. Now, all the Play-Doh altogether had an area of 1. So how are we going to compute exactly how much area this is? Well, think about the big square we started with as one big piece of pizza, one entire pizza, And now we've cut the pizza into a bunch of little pieces. How many pieces are there overall? And then how many pieces are we accounting for? And that fraction ends up being the area.